Hello everyone. Welcome to this second video on milaulas.com. In the previous video, we learned how to create the site by going to milaulas.com, selecting the name for our site, and logging in as an administrator. Remember, you are already in your site as administrator. Uh, in this video, you're going to learn how to do two things. The first thing is how to customize your site. That means how you can change a theme that best fits your interests. Um, in my case, I'm going to use a simple theme, but you can choose the one that pleases you the most. Let's begin. Uh, this is going to be the main page that you're going to have in your site. So we're going to go to Administración de Sitio. It's going to be the first step. Then in this Administración del Sitio, we're going to have some menus and submenus. Here I'm going to go to Apariencia or Appearance. And then I have to select this option, Selector de Temas. Once I am here, what I'm going to do is click in Change Theme, and since I have already tried the theme clean, I suggest you to use it as well. But as I said, you can use any other. I consider that the theme clean is easier to use, so for that reason, that's my best suggestion for you. So let's click here, Usar tema, use theme, and immediately you're going to get a different organization of your site. And this is what you have. And after this, what we're going to do is go to Inicio del Sitio. Now you could see that in your site this is going to be different. This is going to look different. You mainly have a YouTube video saying what Moodle is and other things. That can be changed. We can change that by going to this small icon. Just we click here, and once we click here we have the opportunity to start modifying our site. This field is going to be disabled in your case, but you can enable it by marking or by checking the box. In here, obviously, you're going to start writing anything. In my case, since this is going to be my start page, I would write start page, or you can change it for something different, like welcome to your site. That's a decision you have to make. I'm going to leave it as start page. I'm going to leave it like that. Here you have to eliminate all the information that the site gives by default. In my case, I erased everything, and I wrote this my clearly page, welcome to my site. You can add images, videos, audio, whatever you want here, even documents. Now to add an image, if you want to use an image, what you can do is go to, well, you have to enable these options too to have more tools, but for images you click here, and if you have already a URL, you can enter the URL, or you can examine uh, files. And here you click subir archivo, you examine where your file is in my case I have this. I click here, open, and obviously here you need a name. I just write this, and I upload the file. They say there's already a file with the same name. Well, in my case, I'm going to cancel it. I already did it. So um, you just insert the file here, and then you save it. It's important you can change the size. You decide what size you are going to be using here. To get an image with this size, it's around 240 pixels by like 200 or something. Well, that's up to you. Once you finish with that, and if you're going to write something else, you can create your story here. Okay, this is my site, um, which will contain different courses or different English courses. That's up to you. And then you finally uh, click Save Changes. Now here, as you can see, you already have start page, and then you have this option.